A heart attack occurs every 20 seconds. A person dies from a heart attack every single minute. Heart attack and stroke are caused by clogged arteries. Arterial blockage is often remedied by procedures like angioplasty and bypass, or through continuous medication or using prescription drugs. But there is one way that can relieve or reverse cardiovascular disorders like angina, arrhythmia, stroke, and heart failure. Presenting Angirix, nature's solution to heart problems. Angirix is an all-natural cure composed of 6 powerful organic ingredients. Angirix is the only known remedy for the real cause of heart attacks. Regular intake of Angirix will boost blood flow to the arteries instantly. Your heart will get stronger and will pump out more blood. Plaque buildup will stop and your heart will grow younger and healthier. Angirix is chemical-free. You're 100% safe against undesirable side effects. What are you waiting for? Improve your blood circulation, strengthen your cardiovascular system, and start living a healthier and happier life. Come visit us at www.angirix.com for more details.